Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are currently trading at 0.006861. 24-hour volume, we're down 6%, and market cap, we're down 8%. So heading over to our chart here, I'm going to go over immediate short term for 4 hours. We just started the next 4 hours concession, but taking a look at our RSI at the very top here of our indicator, we can see our K line and our D line are closing in an upward position because we are taking a look at an oversold here. So because we're below our 20%, roughly around the 2% for our K line, we can essentially say that it is going to cross over and continue the uptrend itself. Now, if we take a look at the previous action of the last candlestick that we just closed, we've got this long candle wick at the very bottom here. And essentially the long candle wick shows us in the 4-hour session, the sellers push the price as low as they can, all the way down to 6685. But because the body itself was more than 50% to the 100% session at the very top of our candlestick range, it shows the aggression of the buyers. The buyers push the entire session in the 4 hours at almost 50% to 100% of our candlestick wick. So we are going to see, and already we saw some buyer interest on here. We're going to quickly take a look at some of our support and resistance area because the momentum itself, we see the MACD indicator here is showing us this wave of our histogram. So the stronger the size of these bars get and the darker the color is, the stronger the momentum is going to go. And we can see the momentum is in this bear trend here. Now, one of the important things is the closing of our candlesticks at our moving averages. So already we can see this yellow line here is our 20 moving average. We've closed below the moving average, multiple candlesticks below it. So we ultimately broke this uptrend and going into this downtrend. Another confirmation of the downtrend itself, again, is continuously breaking or continuously closing our candlesticks below multiple moving averages. And already we can see we've got our 50 moving average, this orange line, our 100 moving average. So if we do continue to close below these moving averages, then we may come down to this area of support here, which is this blue line at 6615 here. So this is our first supporting area. Our second supporting area here is 6307. We are going to have a short correction pulling us up, coming into our resistance line here at 7057. So long as we're seeing our KDJ indicator here come up, so our J line at the very bottom is angled upwards. So long as we see these spaces in between are colliding and getting closer and closer together, it is going to give us a confirmation that we are going to come up and retest this resistance line. So those are my targets for Jasmy going into the next couple of hours. Definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Before I do let you go, I wanted to show you and close off with this chart pattern that we see right here in the circle. Again, here is a double top chart pattern coming down to an area of support, resistance, and support as well. So here is our M, which is a bearish chart pattern. Price can come down as high as the 5% or even more if, again, we see that closure and that closing multiple candles below this 100 moving average here. So I'm going to leave you guys off to that. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you next time.